Grade 6, Chapter 8, Supplementary Reader, A Pact with the Sun. Solution, Summary and Question Answers. A Pact with the Sun Summary. Saida's mother had been suffering from fever, cough, body pain, and joint pain, etc. A number of physicians treated her. The quacks forbade her normal food. They also advised her to remain in the closed room. They asked her to avoid both sunshine and fresh air. Their advice did not help her. In fact, she needed sunshine and fresh air for good health. Then people suggested that she should consult a specialist. She was poor. However, she knew that life was more precious than money. So she consulted a specialist. She sold her ornaments also to meet the expenditure on medicines. The specialist examined her. He prescribed effective but costly medicines. He allowed her to eat anything of her taste. He laid most importance on fresh air and sunlight. He advised her to shift in a big room with doors and windows open. He asked her to sit in the sunlight from 8 to 9 daily. Some people opposed the specialist advice. Saida's mother did not listen to their proposals. She got her bed moved to a bigger room. She desired to sit in the sun on her cot for an hour daily. Unluckily, it remained cloudy for a few days. She started lamenting and complaining to God. Saida saw a spot of pale sunshine late in the afternoon. The people forbade Saida's mother to bask in the sun. They told her that it was too late and chilly. Saida requested the departing rays of the sun to come the next day with enough warmth and brightness. The rays gave her the desired promise because her ailing mother needed their help. Next day, the rays were keen to go to the earth early in the morning. After all, they had given a word to Saida. But the sun said, "It's our day off again. The road to earth is blocked by the clouds." The ray who had given its word to Saida said, "Sir, I cannot stay back. I will pierce the clouds to reach Saida's courtyard." The sun rays revolted against the sun to keep their honor. They focused their heat and the clouds scattered. The sun rays reached the earth a bit late. Saida's mother bathed in the sun and breathed in fresh air. Her pale face glowed. The doctor's advice had a magical effect on her. She is fully recovered now. Question and answers. First question: what did the physician ask Saida's mother to do to get well? Did their advice help her? If not, why? The physicians told Saida's mother that in order to get well, she should not eat normal food and should confine herself to a small, dingy room and with doors and windows fastened, deprived of sunshine and fresh air. Did their advice help her? No, their advice did not help her. Why? Because good food, fresh air, and sunshine were the things that she needed to get better. What did the specialist prescribe in addition to medicine? The specialist prescribed some effective but costly medicines. He told her to eat chapati, vegetables, milk, fruits, etc., whatever she wished to eat. He asked her to shift to a bigger room with windows and doors open. Above all, she should sit in the sun every morning for an hour and breathe in fresh air. What did Saida tell the sunrays to do? Saida made a special request to the sunrays to help her mother to get well. She asked them to come the next day with lots of warmth and brightness. Why were the sun rays keen to go down to the earth the next day? The sun rays had promised to help Saida. They had made a pact with her that they would bring down warmth and brightness. So they were keen to go down to the earth the next day. They forced their way through the dark, dirty clouds. Short answer type questions. First question is, who made the pact with the sun? What was it about? The small girl Saida made a pact with the sun. Her mother was not well. She needed the warmth of the sun and fresh air. So, in her mysterious language, she requested the rays of the sun to come the next day with lots of warmth. What assurance did the sun rays give to Saida? The sun rays granted Saida's request. They promised to reach the earth at the fixed hour the next morning. Why did the sun ask the rays to stay up in the sky? The pathway to the earth was blocked by thick, dark clouds. The sun warned the rays to keep clear of the dark clouds, but all the rays refused to obey their father's command. They got through the clouds and thus kept their word to Saida. Fourth question, how did Saida's mother feel on that sunny day? Saida's mother felt the sunny day, sun on her face, and she breathed in fresh air. She thought she was in a new world. Her eyes shone bright and she started recovering in a fast manner. Long answer type questions. First question is, comment on the aptness of the title of the story, A Pact with the Sun. What message or idea does the story bring home to you? Answer is, A Pact with the Sun is an educative story. It tells us that fresh air and sunshine in the open are the key to sound health. Even the sick people need these two things. They must not kept confined in dark room. They should get normal food. The story tells us Saida's mother was denied healthy food, sunshine, and fresh air. She remained sick, but her daughter made a pact with the sun rays to warm up the ailing old women, and the result were wonderful. Second question is, who made the pact with the sun and why? How did the pact prove fruitful? Saida's mother had been ailing for quite some time. No medicine proved effective. She was shut up in a small dark room. The cloudy weather continued for a few days. So, Saida, the little girl, made a request to the rays of the sun to come down to the earth and give warmth to the ailing women. The sun rays agreed and also kept their word. They came down in large numbers and gave new life to Saida's mother. In this way, Saida's pact with the sun rays helped her mother get well soon. Thank you, children.